Welcome to this Gophermods video. I'm Case Profita, owner and founder of Gophermods. Today, I'm going to talk to you about available iPad repair services available at our 6 Minneapolis locations here in the metro. Gophermods was started in 2010, and we currently specialize in iPhone, iPad, MacBook, and cell phone repair services. We currently repair around 20,000 devices per year at our retail stores for both individual customers, businesses, and schools across the country. All iPad repairs include a standard 1-year warranty, which covers any defects in the part we installed in your iPad or any issues with our labor while servicing your iPad. In addition to our standard 1-year warranty, we do have additional damage protection plans available starting at only $25 for most iPads. At Gophermods, we repair all iPads from the original iPad to the latest. Whether you have a cracked screen, a bad battery, can't charge your iPad without just wiggling it just right, or there's just something else wrong with your iPad, chances are one of our Gophermods locations can repair that for you. No repair service at Gophermods requires an appointment. You can simply walk into any of our 6 Minneapolis locations across the cities. For a complete list of our stores, you can find the navigation bar just above labeled Stores, or you can visit the link right below and that'll take you right to all our locations. In the event we're unable to repair your iPad, we only charge a small diagnostic fee of $19. If you'd like to purchase a certified pre-owned iPad, iPhone, or another device at our store, we will transfer that diagnostic fee to a device of your choosing. Thanks for watching this brief video about iPad repair services offered by Gophermods. If you have any questions, you may send us an email through one of the forms that should be located on this page. You can also reach out to us on Facebook. We typically respond in a few hours, or you can stop by any one of our 6 conveniently located stores across the Minneapolis metro. Thanks for visiting Gophermods, and we look forward to helping you with any of your iPhone, iPad, MacBook, or cell phone repair needs.